Hello students, good morning. I am Krishna Rai, your EVS teacher. So we are going to start class 4 EVS first chapter, going to school. So you all are going to school. Some students are go to school by bus, some are by school van, or some are using the cycle, or some are go to by foot. So, in this chapter, there are some stories of children about how they go to school. So, let's read about some children from different places. In the first, we should read about the children from Assam. They go to their school by crossing the bamboo bridge. There were heavy rainfall where they live, and sometimes after the rain there is high water everywhere which goes up to their knees. Why the water goes up to their knees? We already discussed about their situation due to heavy rainfall. It happens due to heavy rainfall. And in that situation, they hold the book in one hand and bamboo with the other. They quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. That was very challenging task for the children. That was very dangerous to cross the thin bamboo bridge. That was not so easy to cross the bridge. There is a high risk to stay there. That's why all the children quickly cross the bridge and go to their school. And here comes the picture of Ladakh. Look at the picture carefully. So the children of Ladakh go to the school by using the trolley, with the help of trolley. Trolley, that means a square shaped open box which is made of a hood. It's a wooden box. The students of Ladakh use the trolley to reach the school. So every day they have to cross the river to get to school because the river is wide and deep. They can't cross the river. You know that in the hilly region there were fast flowing river. So they use the trolley to cross the river. So how they use the trolley to cross the river? Let us discuss about it. There is a strong iron rope across the river on the both sides. It was tightly tied with strong trees or rocks, and the trolley or the open box made of wood attached with the rope. Attached, that means join or connecting to something. So that wooden box joined with that thick rope. So there were 4 or 5 students can sit on the trolley, and now pulleys help the trolley to move across the rope. Pulleys, that means it's type of wheel which help the trolley to run over the rope. So they reach the other side of the river in a short time. So in this process the children of Ladakh go to their school. And cement bridge. Now cement bridge. So most of you come to school by crossing a cement bridge. You all see the cement bridge. So some students go to school by crossing the cement bridge. So we often use the cement bridge to cross the rivers or some water bodies. We all see the cement bridge around us. So we know well where it is made and how it is used. So these are made of cement. These cement bridges are made of cement, bricks, iron rods, sands, etc. Some bridges may also have a steps also. So look at the picture of Kerala. This is the picture of from Kerala, Vallam. This is the picture of from Kerala. So in some parts of Kerala they use a Vallam. That means a small wooden boat. It's a wooden boat, small wooden boat. So they use that small wooden boat to cross the river. We know that Kerala is the southernmost part of our country, so the land is mostly covered with water. So the children of Kerala use the ballam to go to school. They use the small wooden boat to go to school. And now Rajasthan. Look at the picture. This is the picture of Rajasthan. We all know that they were mostly filled with desert. India's largest desert is also present at there. Namely Thar Desert. Thar Desert is present at Rajasthan. We all know that. So here is the short story of children of Rajasthan. So they live in the desert. There was sand all around. We already discussed about this place. So due to the sand, there were always high temperature. There was no more trees. Trees can't grow on that sandy land. So the children of Rajasthan use the camel. And camel is popularly known as the sheep of the desert. So a popularly known method for people with fear of animals is a camel cart. And camel pulls the cart, which is made of wooden. So the children of Rajasthan use that camel cart to go to school. Just like in camel cart, some places use the bullock cart also. A bullock cart or ox cart is a two-wheeled or four-wheeled vehicles pulled by oxen, So in some place, bullock cart is used as a transport system. It's going slowly through the green field, or if there is too hot or too sunny or raining, they use their umbrellas. While they going to school, this bullock cart is used mostly in plains areas. And now bicycle ride. We often see the bicycle in the plains area. So some children use the bicycle to go to school. So here is the short story about those children who go to school by bicycle. They ride their bicycle on the long road to school. At first, they were not safe to ride alone for girls because the school was too far. We all heard about that type of incident, why girls are not safe to go to school alone. So now there was not difficult to go to school. They make the 7-8 girls group and easily ride even through that difficult roads. Okay, we will discuss the remaining portion of this chapter in the next video. So stay home, stay safely. Thank you.